Hello everybody and welcome to Wesley's Plant World with me, Wesley Peterson, and this channel is all about gardening. If you're new here, welcome, and if you've been here many times before, well, welcome back. I started my channel by producing videos all about houseplants, and now I've moved on to producing videos mostly about my garden. Now and again I will produce houseplant videos, but not very often. It's mostly going to be about my garden from now on. My channel is actually a video diary for myself. I've decided that I wanted to document certain things that I do with my plants so that in the future I'll be able to look back and see the changes in my own garden. And I find that so exciting because, as we all know, gardens never stay the same for very long. There are so many changes. I'm constantly building new borders. I'm constantly moving plants around. There are constantly plants that need to be pruned and clipped and trimmed. And there are constantly cuttings that need to be taken and replanted and so forth. So there's an array of things to look at and talk about. But as I said, my channel is mostly about me working in my private garden and just sharing the joy when I have the time for it, which means I don't have any set date, I don't have any set time of when I post videos. I could post a video every week in a period, I could post a video every other week, or there may only be one a month, or every couple of months or so. And I've even had a period where I probably didn't post any videos for like 4 or 5 months. But that's the way it is, because this is a video blog. And I want to just be free to make videos when it suits me and share the joy with all of you when I have the time for it. So if you want to know when my videos are coming up, I suggest you add the bell so that you'll get a notification when my videos do come up. Or you will have to come in and check my channel when you feel like you want to see if there's something new available to watch. I thank all of you that have your own channels out there sharing lots of fantastic things, not only gardening, houseplants and garden plants, but also other things. I love watching travel vlogs and videos, and I love seeing food videos and fashion and, you know, the world news and all sorts of things that are going on. And I think anyone and everyone who is sharing content with other people, as long as we keep it positive and happy, and you also, if you're watching, watch because you want to enjoy the video. And if you don't enjoy the videos, well, you can find another content creator that suits you. So with that said, enjoy my upcoming videos and I will see you again very, very soon. Goodbye.